what's up? It's Walker Street. Hey, I don't even got stainless. Yo, what up? It's Walker Street. Hey, I'm about to bring another video to you. Yo, so you know how much I like Loewe boots. I'm about to step out in them today and go to the sneaker exchange event. So I just wanted to do a quick video before I step out in them. Yeah, let me see. Here we go. Now, I already got the black pair. These the same identical boots, Loewe boots from the black pair. It's just got this this blue color pattern on it. I already did a review of these, but we're gonna start again, man. These are Spanish boots. They made in Spain. Well, actually, these boots are made in Italy. The brand comes from Spain, and these are some of the most comfortable boots I ever worn. And I really like these boots, so this is my first time wearing these. I had these for a long time. I haven't even made no video, but I wanted to make a video today because, you know, boy, about to put them boys on, put these on, and yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I will show you. Style, whatever you want to call it. Got the pants on with it. You know what I mean? This shirt is Express, I believe. Yeah, Express shirt. Loewe shoes, Loewe pants. You know what I mean? This is my little swag for today for the sneaker event. So just wanted to do a quick video of these shoes. I'll do a little closer up camera shot of these. Huh? So this is it, man. This is the Loewe boot right here. All tied up, all laced up. I had to try them on. Got the blue pair now, man. Yeah. Loewe. Ooh-wee, Loewe. You doing your thing. I feel you. I can get down with you, Loewe. I like it. Keep it up. Yeah. So, you see it there, man. Loewe boots. Back again, you already know. Hey, check your boy out.